not to be dramatic, but I feel like this is one of the best advent calendars I've ever opened in my life. Hey girl, I'm Sonia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of an advent calendar that I was given at a YouTube shopping event, because you can shop here on YouTube. I don't know if you guys know this or not. 24 days of Revolve Beauty. Along with the advent calendar, I'm gonna be tagging all of the products that are in this box down in the carousel, shopping carousel for YouTube, so you guys can shop them before they get sold out again. It was so heavy that I literally broke the handle off because it's supposed to look like a little suitcase or luggage. Okay. So number one is this big daddy right here. This is the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced Cosmetics, and this is $29. Honestly, I'm not surprised that it is in this advent calendar, and to start you off strong, because this is one of the most popular, best-selling mascaras. Number two is in this little box right here. I'm gonna keep one of these boxes as my crinkle paper box because you can re-gift these things, okay? Like even the boxes, imagine you can just wrap them with wrapping paper, put a little bow on them. You don't have to know. And these are amazing products. And this is a treatment mask for fine to medium hair. The regular size is $38. Okay, here's number three. I don't know why all the brands have to have the most difficult names to pronounce, but I think this is Jouer. And this is a highlighter in the color Ice. I had a hard time finding this particular shade. It looked like they maybe discontinued or sold out and did not bring back. I'm not sure. I've seen other shades that were a lot warmer that I feel like would complement way more skin tones than this chalky, dusty ass highlighter. So are we just trying to get rid of products or what's happening here? This one was a little disappointing, okay? I mean, let's do better. Let's do better. Okay, number four. This is another Luxe brand that I've always wanted to try, but just didn't have the nerve to spend so much money on a body wash. This is $36 for the regular full-size product. This is the Salt and Stone Black Rose and Ode. Is it O-U-D? Is that how you pronounce that? Girl, English is my only language and I struggle, so I'm sorry about that. That smells expensive. You know, it's like kind of like, it smells good, but also weird at the same time because like, I'm not sure if my nose is just not used to smelling like rich stuff. Number five. More stuffing. This is the Oribe Imperial Blowout Styling Cream. The full size is just under $70. That's insane. I have a texturizing spray that I bought like, I want to say 5 years ago when I went to go get my hair cut. I'm like, yeah, oh my gosh, that smells good. I love the way that it made my hair look. She's like, cool, let me ring it up. It was over $100. I was like, too embarrassed to even tell her, can you put that shit back? No. Yeah, I'll take it. No problem. Next up is six. This is from a brand called Agent Nateur Holy Water. I don't know. It's a hyaluronic pearl and rose essence. The full size of this is $98. That's insane. Like what does this do? Wash the dishes? So this is expensive, girl. Oh my goodness. As an influencer who's been doing this for years, it still amazes me how much beauty products cost. This is insane. Can't believe it. Okay. This is really tiny. I don't have anything from this brand, so I'm excited to even try it. This is in a shade called Pistachio, and I'm like, how? What part of this would make them think that this is pistachio, y'all? A full size would be $16. Number 8 here, we have a liquid liner from Stila. These Deluxe minis are perfect for a cosmetic bag. And I love the fact that this is a black eyeliner and not like brown or green or white, or something that they needed to get rid of. Let's see. Kind of shocked at number 9. This is a full-size Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand, and I honestly have not tried any of the contour or highlighting wands from Charlotte Tilbury, so this is really exciting for me. There's just some products I'm just like, I just can't justify paying it, especially when there's so many good like dupes out there, right? This one in particular is called Pinkgasm. Ma'am. Okay, number 10 right here in the corner. This is a brand called Osea. This is a body polish or body scrub. The full size product is $48. Box number 11 is next. Okay, so This is for our granola crunchy girls. This is a product from Goop Beauty. It's called GOOPGLOW Microderm Instant Glow Exfoliator, and the full size is $125. Insane! 12. This is the Supergoop Glow Sunscreen in the shade Sunrise. This is an SPF 40. This is gonna be so good to pack in your travel bags or your gym bags, or maybe even the makeup bag that you take to and from work or school. And the full size is $22. Number 13 is my favorite number because that's the day that I was born. We have the Benefit Benetint, and this retails for $26. This stuff is really powerful, so you don't need very much. I can see this lasting forever. This is a rose and lip cheek stain, so if you know, you know. Number 14 is next. This is an anti-frizz oil for your hair. This retails for $30. These are mini alpha beta universal daily peel pads. 3 applications retail at $20. Number 16 is in a big box. That's exciting. Guys, I was just talking about this on my Instagram. I have not had better hair days since using this product, and I'm so excited that I have a travel version. This is a spray that you would use on your wet hair, and then it's activated by using your hair dryer. Definitely recommend that. You can buy this size for $12. Okay, number 17. Oh, it's 2 products in this one. These are from Peter Thomas Roth. The first one is the Anti-Aging Cleansing Gel, and we have the Water Drench. This is a Hyaluronic Cloud Rich Barrier Moisturizer. I'm making a mess, don't mind that back there. We're on number 18 now, and it is, oh, this is another full-size product. This one is from Dibs Glow Tour Duo Shimmering Blush Contour Duo in the shade Starlit. This product retails for $38. So on this side, we have our contour, and on the other side, we have our blush. Number 19, let's open up that together. We have 2 products in this one again. These are from Olaplex, and this is their number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. I want to say it's about $15 for the travel size of this product. We're on number 20. Okay. Look how stinking cute this little mascara is. This is from Tarte, and this is their Tartelette Tubing Mascara. It retails for $15. I just love the fact that they didn't compromise the size of the wand. Okay, number 21. Here comes number 21. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Again, if you did not want to keep these, this is an ornament that you can hang on the tree. This particular set is $25. So it's little, but it's super luxe. So along with this down below, I'm gonna make sure to tag the silk pillowcase because that's what they got famous for, and it really does help the health of your hair. This is gonna make an awesome gift. I'm gonna keep that to the side. Number 22, this is a Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I don't know if I was on their PR list or maybe it was through Amazon, but I was given the full version of this and I gave it away not knowing what the hell it was first. I played myself because I've never seen so many glowing reviews on something in my life. A cleansing balm, if you've never tried one before, it's like, it kind of feels like Vaseline, but what it does is it melts in your hand. So you put a little bit of it in your hand, you warm it up and it gets really thin, then you rub it all over your face and it breaks down all of the oil and makeup, and you wipe it off and you wash it off and you're good. I'm not even gonna tell you the price of the full size product, but the mini version is $18. Okay, now we got number 20. We're down to the end, girl. Number 23, how do I open this? Okay, here we go. There's 2 in this one as well. This is from Dr. Barbara. And we have this is a hyaluronic serum and a face cream. I'm not surprised that this bottle is so damn small, okay? What the hell is this? Barbara, Barb, what the hell is this? Ma'am, do you know how much the full-size product of this is? $325. Oh no, baby. Oh no. I almost fell off the damn bed. The reviews, we got 4.1 reviews, fast absorbing and moisturizing. The price is kind of insane, but I love the serum and I can't stop buying it. I tried to switch to a less expensive dupe many times, but I still keep coming back because there's a noticeable difference. Okay, I mean, maybe I'll accidentally purchase it with my husband's credit card. I don't know. I hate to rush the end, but this is the last one and I have to go. I have to literally leave my mess here because I have to go pick up my son. Last but not least, what the hell? This is a full-size Summer Fridays product. This is their Heavenly 16 all-in-one face oil. This retails for $55. We well surpassed the price of this advent calendar versus the total of what you would get as far as value goes. It's insane. Okay, Revolve, you did it. You raised the bar and I hope everybody follows you because a lot of them out there are pretty crusty. That's it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you have any recommendations, please let me know in the comments down below. And until next time, take care and I hope to see you later. Bye!